Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I will tell you how you can use Opensea using your Metamask wallet on your mobile device. So first of all, get Metamask wallet on your mobile device, and for that you can use App Store or Play Store. And after getting Metamask on your mobile, then just simply click on the three lines on the top left corner, and here select browser, then search for Opensea, click on it, and then click on the three lines on top right corner, and here click on connect wallet, and then choose Metamask, connect, accept and sign, and then you will be logged into your OpenSea account using your Metamask, and you can just explore the website using your account. And that's how you use OpenSea using your Metamask wallet on your mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.